small. You don't ever begin something so small where even you know sure say it go reach anywhere. You don't ever compare your beginning with another person middle and your heart just sink. My person, make I tell you something true. Na small beginning change my life. E no loud, e no fine. Nobody clap for me, but I start. That small step where I take, na him God use open door. That small effort where I no respect before, na am heaven respect pass. Sometimes we dey wait for big sign, big money, big confidence. But God dey wait for small obedience. No despise wetin look small. No insult wetin dey humble. Na small seed dey carry big tree inside. Na small light dey chase big darkness. Even if today you dey start from ground zero, make you no stop. God no dey measure journey by speed. Na direction him dey check. If God dey inside your beginning, your ending go loud. If God dey hold your hand for small start, him no go drop you for big stage. So when fear talk say, na joke you dey do, make faith answer am say, what wetin God go do? Bible talk for Zechariah chapter 4 verse 10 say, no despise the day of small beginning, because the Lord dey rejoice to see the work begin. That verse na confirmation. God dey smile at your start. So rise again, begin again. Start small, but start with faith. Your small beginning no be your final bus stop, na just the loading point. Your testimony go answer questions wey words no fit answer, because when God bless your beginning, no ending fit stop you.
This na Greywood Whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.